Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So today we'll see, like if you see, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. You should.
Yeah. So you have seen like when we are using each, so we put here element and index, also list. Okay. So this one we know that how to use this element, but we don't know how to use index and list. Okay. So in this lecture we'll see the index and list, how to operate this one, and also we'll check, we'll verify the how to handle the web table. Okay. So these two things we'll cover in this lecture. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, I need to open my website. I just go to Flipkart. Okay, so this is Flipkart website. So can you see this list here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items are getting displayed here. Can you see this list?
Yes.
So what I'll do, I'll create one array. Okay, and in that array, I'll put all these items, and I verify that it is there or not.
Hmm.
Got my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So see what using each iterator. Okay. So we'll start a reference types equal to cypress scribe list items. Okay. To open Flipkart website and verify the list of items. Visit. Okay. So let me check. Let me check this is working or not. Okay. I forget to create T. this side get open here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll create one variable here like constant menu, or you can say list item. You can take any name. So we define the array now. So just check it out. What are the items are there? See, top offers, mobile and tablets, electronic, TV appliances, fashion, beauty. This one we have to put inside the array. Got my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I have to put all these values. So I just make one list. Um, what are my lists here? Suppose one is top offers. Second one is I'm doing manually. Huh? Appliances. See how many I got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it?
Mm. Yeah.
Mm.
So I'll just take this list, go to my VS Code. In my array, I'll just copy paste here. So in array, whenever you're defining any item, so just it's a string, so double quote here and give comma, double quote and comma, double quote and comma. Got it? This is my list. Now I have to verify. Okay, I have to verify. And before that, what you do? You just go to your website, right click here, and go to the CSS selector for this list. Like this one is, can you see this one?
Yeah.
If you count now, you will get 10 lists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me scroll down a little bit down. Now can you count here? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I already make a list of that. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll take this class dot fq30h. If I take this class, for instance, I go to controller, I just put a dot. See, I'm getting 10. Okay, I'll take one of this, go to my VS Code, cy.get, okay, and cy.get. I'll just copy this one and paste here. Now using each iterator, item, comma index, comma list.
Okay, we can use instead of dollar even in item, we can also use item in place
Yeah,
of dollar.
yeah, you can use dollar or not, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah. So now if I want to take like list, na, if I want to compare this one with this, like whatever I have written, it is okay or not with comparing this which. So I'll use one assertion here, expect list. Okay, list to have dot length 10. Okay, so I am using this one and let's check what happened, what result I'm getting here. See, it got passed here. If I remove one item here, see what result I'm getting now. Can you see the difference here? If I don't
Did
write,
we get error for that?
no, if I remove this one constant item list, for instance, if I remove this one, now what result I'll get?
Complete 10 list.
What?
Maybe. We will get this 10 list now because we are mentioning here.
So what is no, I'm not getting sure. Can you repeat once again?
We will get no, we will get the assertion error there, I guess.
What error?
Because
Like,
not found or something.
okay, what do you say,
We did
Abhishek?
ever.
Yeah, sorry, Shakil, my system battery had gone out, so I missed you. What you said?
I said like I give comment to this array. I'm not using this array.
Hmm.
So what error I'm facing right now?
I think invalid kind of something because uh, Invalid array or invalid entry kind of something.
Okay, let me run this one. See, my test case got passed. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
That means
Even
without
though
that.
I haven't used this array.
Okay, because I think you have already used the class name
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
Yes.
I'm using this class.
Okay, you are not using the array.
Yeah. In now, in the case which I have to use array now, what I'll do? I'll just comment this one. I remove this comment here, and here in this I'll just put here, for instance, like, okay, I'll keep as it is. Okay, I'll give comment to this one. I'll just put here expect list to dot contain menu list items. Index, I just put a index. So what result I will get here? Expect list to contain menu list items.
Acha, okay. Same thing, I think same 10 entries you will get.
Pardon?
Uh, if you provide the particular index for that particular one, I think then in that case it will only show that one only. So
So
suppose
yeah.
here you have commented one, so I think total it will provide us nine entries.
So the test case got passed or failed?
I think it will
Get
not get passed
past, no?
because you haven't described index. No?
What do you think, Shweta?
Yeah, it get past.
It get passed,
Yeah.
and Abhishek, you also says it get passed.
No, according to me, matlab, we haven't provide index, matlab, described index in any of the place. So can
Okay,
we use directly? So I'm not sure whether we can use directly.
okay, okay. So let me run this one. See, so what it says? Assertion error. I'm facing here. So it's not matching with
Content.
us TVs and appliances. So I just go my code and see TVS and appliances. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my link because the spelling is comparing the spelling now. So what I'll do, I just go to that website and TV and appliance. I just click here. Yeah, one, two, three, four, fourth one. One, two, three, four. This belongs to fashion. Yeah, TVs and appliances. I'll just copy this one. If I See, whatever I have written, my V is small here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, but in the website, we have a capital sphere and all the values strings are same. So I just remove this one. See carefully, what I'm saying. Now see. See again, I'm getting the error here. 9 to contain defined. We have 10, correct?
Correct.
But it's showing 10 only. Why? Because we have this beauty. We put the comment here. I'll just remove this
Correct.
here and again I'll run this one. You're getting me now what I'm trying to explain you?
Yeah. Yeah. So because we are using index, so that's why it is taking the complete entries, and we have
Yeah,
commented one, then it shows us.
yeah.
Got
See what happened here. In this case, we make one array.
it.
Inside
Correct.
this array, we put some items,
Hmm.
and we are trying to match these items with this class.
Okay. Yeah.
And we are here in this case we are using both list as well as index.
Hmm.
Okay. Now in this case, if I don't use this index here,
Hmm.
only atoms if I use here.
Sorry, second. Hello.
Yeah, Shweta.
I missed something.
Oh,
I
you missed
just
the.
left for 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay,
Please, can you repeat?
you missed the important part. One second, 1 second.
Sorry.
No, no worry, no worry. 1 second, I'll explain you. I just got call. 1 second. Hello. हाँ रे भाई हाँ रिमूव हो गया ये आ जाओ आ जाओ yeah sorry see Shweta I'll just explain you once again
Yes.
see what happened in this case first you see the result here you got the result here
Yes.
yeah so what happened forget about this string okay so what we are doing here like we have array okay and we have this class so what we are doing we are just mapping like we are just comparing that this list whatever I'm having in my array is equal to this class or not so
Okay.
expect list to have content means whatever the list this list is taking all the values from this class not from array
Yes.
yeah so this list whatever I'm having in this class to contain we are comparing this one this menu links this is my array so here in this case I'm using list and index together okay now what if I'm trying to remove this index so what happened see here
I think then it will get passed. Still it's showing error.
see you get array you get error here
Hmm.
expected
One
9
second.
this one is array na to contain array 10
To cut
Hmm.
it there.
Yeah.
yeah so here I missed to write this index here
Okay.
okay
That means we have to provide the index.
yeah you have to provide index like If you don't provide index, it give like,
This error.
yeah, expected div contain.
Okay.
Okay, so in that case, you have to provide the area index. Now run. Got my point?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Now, what I want from you guys, I'm just open one website, Amazon. Okay. So can you see these items?
Yeah.
So what I want, you create one array of this item
Mm-hmm.
and compare this. And even though I'll forget to tell you, like whatever my class is having,
Mm-hmm.
the lists. Okay. If I do mistake, like if I forget to write y of this beauty,
Mm.
and if I run this one, so what happens here? So in that
It
case,
will
you can
it
also
will
check
fix it.
the spelling also, like whether your spelling is correct or not.
Correct. Correct.
See here, it got passed.
Oh.
Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So what do you think? It's a, if you see this beauty now, where that beauty is
It's
line number, this one.
this one. Yes.
Yeah. So if you go to the website, Flipkart, if you see and go to your beauty, so it's indicate here by, but
Mm.
it's not taking your script, not taking. Even though when I just use small v,
Mm.
it matches and giving me the error.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
But
But
in the case of
um,
beauty, I'm not getting the error. Why? What do you think?
but earlier you used a list, na, and you are not using the array. So if you're comparing the class with the list, then it is giving us the error.
No, still I'm using the array. See, I just put here small v.
Okay, then it is matching casing, I think.
See,
Okay.
can you see?
Yeah, yeah,
But in case of beauty, like if I write small, then I'm getting error here. But if I remove this y from here, I am not getting error here. Even though if I remove this b, so what happened now? Even though it's working fine.
correct.
Even though if I remove f from fashion, if I run,
Due to single string, the TV and appliances is
it's work. Single string, like
might just remove from that FK originals. Let's see what happens. Might be
remove this one whole string.
no that F or K from this.
Good. According to me, it is basically matching the text that we are entering. So, if there is any discrepancy in the text that we have written there, and it is not matching uh, with the list that we have on the web page, then it is throwing the error. But if we remove that one, then it is not throwing the error. So, matlab, it is matching the case sensitivity instead of matching the words. So, only case sensitivity it is
Okay,
working.
okay, I agree with you. If I just instead of beauty, I just small view. Let's check it out. What happened now?
But then also it is was. Then
Can you see?
what is uh,
Yes.
So
then
what do
what
you
is
think? Like, why only this taking the about curious about this TVS appliance only, not others? What do you think, guys? Like,
okay? If you make k small of fk, so whether it is taking, if you're
okay,
making k
let me check.
small of no, making f capital or k small.
Okay, you are giving error.
Yeah, but
That means it is matching the first and the first letter also, and if the second is also capitalized, then it is if that will be making sure, then it is showing like that.
But our scenario is like that. It should match as per the class,
Hmm.
now,
Hmm.
correct?
Correct.
Like, suppose if I want one scenario that I have to check the spelling of all the items. So in that scenario, what should I do? Got my point?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do one thing like, uh,
Hmm.
suppose
Hmm.
instead of index, if I put item here, okay, and if I remove this B, okay, now let me check what happened.
better. So,
See, I'm getting one error here. Let me check that error. Expected this one, 9 more. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just put here index only, and instead of list here, I'll just put item from here. See, it got passed. No error.
Okay.
Again, I'll do one thing. I'll just use this one. I'll just use one constant here. Const a. I'll just use el item dot text. Okay. Now here I use a.
Then it will.
We'll see what happens. Again, no error.
Okay.
Yes. But it expected is beauty to it
Yeah,
giving this.
expected beauty to
As a,
include beauty, na. So B is absent here. So this exception should get fail, na.
yes.
But it doesn't fail here. It should get failure.
I think we are not matching the length of the words. We are in this one. We are matching the length of the array. So if the array is having 10 attributes, then it is matching, and the case sensitivity. But we are not matching the length of the individual text here.
Okay, in that case, if I agree with you, if I remove this one, okay, and if I just open this one, it says like expect a this list contain only 10 element now. So one second,
Hmm.
this list contain 10 elements, so it's only show the 10 elements. What I'll do in this case, expect a uh, to contain. Okay. I'll just put here include instead of contain. Okay, one second. I'll just make one scenario here. Copy here. Now let me check.
See.
Take first.
If you use index.length, so
One
in
second,
that case,
console. One second, Abhishek.
yeah.
This log contain beauty here. Data I'm getting here. Instead of using expect, I just try if what do you think? What result you will get here now?
I think in that case, it should throw an error because
You have to expect this. You have to compare this like this, no?
Yeah, we
Like
are
this.
comparing here. Okay, okay, okay. I don't think it works. Number 8. This essay, I want this essay should get fail, you know.
yeah, but if you see in log also, we are getting the correct value, na? Beauty is we are getting the value.
Yeah,
I,
yeah,
that should not
Yes.
exactly. We're getting the beauty value, correct? But
correct.
here what he
Yes.
says, expected beauty to include beauty, na? So B is missing, so it should get
Failed.
failed.
But if we use list, I think then it will get passed because I think value in A because we're comparing A na. Uh, expect A, expect A. If you expect list, then I think then only it will get failed because we are matching A with this one. So basically,
Yeah, exactly. Aim is what? Whatever with the items inside this class, we are matching to this, whatever we have in this.
and what means list? If you use list here, so what that means?
Yeah, if you are using list now, okay. Instead of item, if I use list here,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Let me check here.
And this will be also passed. Yeah, now it is getting failed.
What it says like object tested must be an array, a map, an object, a set, a string, or a big set, but object given. So what happened? Instead, if I use contain here, like got it.
Mm-hmm.
One second, huh?
Yeah.
One second. You try. No problem. Yeah, that's all right. Uh, hello, hello.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So Shweta and Abhishek, what do you understand from this? Like,
I think Shakil, just one try that if we use index in place of index, we use a. So in that case, what is the result it is showing?
here A, you mean to say?
Only a. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It is showing one error.
Yeah, I'm getting one error here.
Defined.
Okay. What exactly? Okay. I. Okay. Okay. Uh,
If you change other spelling, then
One
only
second. One
also.
second. One second. If I use here content, let me check.
Yeah. Now it's showing error.
Expected top offers to include undefined.
Hmm, correct.
But cy.log I'm not getting here.
cy.log is not. Or in the previous case, we are getting the cy.log when
Yeah,
we are
yeah,
using this case.
yeah.
Yes.
In this case, we are not getting cy.log. It should get displayed, na?
And we are not getting one specific error for that text.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay. We are showing here undefined.
Yeah. It's showing only top offers.
Hmm. But here A also not getting printed. If we are expect A to matching with A.
Yeah,
Okay.
this 10 elements is getting here, but what happened to CY.log?
So, Shakil, basically, it is working in a sequential manner, or it is basically working in an abstract manner. So, is it possible that the code which is written in the next line get executed first instead of the code written in the above line?
Yeah, you are correct. Like you're talking about the promises, correct?
Correct, correct. It might be possible that because of this error, cy.lock is not getting printed.
Okay, so in that case, what I'll do, uh, I'll just you. I'm just handling the promises here. Huh?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's giving me the error. You cannot put that on. Yeah. See, we cannot put that here after text.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We'll do that one in next weekend. So I'll give an assignment to you.
Mm-hmm.
You go to Amazon website, create one
Okay.
array list, and
Okay.
match the strings over there.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It should match. In our case, the string is not getting match.
Correct.
Okay, you try this one and let me know then.
Sure. Sure.
Okay
Yes.
then? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then, bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.